in some cases can result in the loss of vision if it is not monitored or treated correctly. To help those patients with diabetic eye disease, we introduce you to a physician who makes frequent visits to Guam. Here's more in tonight's Health Check report. Dr. David Parks often takes frequent visits to Guam from Los Angeles, California, at least 3 to 4 times a year to assist patients with diabetic eye disease and other retinal illnesses causing the loss of vision. Since Sunday, Dr. Parks has screened patients at the SDA clinic in Chamuning and is now scheduled to assist in eye surgery for those in need. Dr. Parks is a skilled and trained board-certified ophthalmologist. He's expected to see just about anyone from premature babies to senior citizens. In fact, he says he's seeing more and more young people living with diabetes.
One of the things I do see on Guam is that it does appear to be involving people at a younger age. Unfortunately, the diet on Guam is a little more conducive to obesity than some of the other populations that I see in the United States.
Throughout his scheduled visits, Dr. Parks sees more than 200 patients in a 1-week period, most of whom need injections and medication. Of those numbers, a majority of them have diabetes. Dr. Parks' expertise is needed to assist these patients, mainly because a diabetic eye could look normal from the outside, but may have abnormal vessels causing bleeding in the retina.
When you dilate the pupil and you look at the retina, which is the lining of the inside of the eye, you can see either some little areas of bleeding, which represents an abnormal blood vessel, and sometimes you can also see swelling of the retina.
If left untreated, it could cause blindness. One thing Dr. Parks emphasizes is that it's important to get your eyes checked frequently.
The best and most important advice is to get regular eye exams, either with your optometrist or your ophthalmologist. The doctors here are excellent, and they can find diabetic eye disease before it causes symptoms. If you can